I'm an NFL cheerleader turned data scientist. Let's build a Monte Carlo simulation for the NFL playoffs to predict who's going to win the Super Bowl. I'm mad at my model because they put my Carolina Panthers at the bottom of this list, but the data is the data. Let's jump into it. There are 3 parts to this Monte Carlo simulation. Step 1, we're going to calculate an ELO or strength rating for each team. This is a key input to predicting who the winner of each game will be. The data, as always, comes from the NFL ReadPy library. We'll just use the regular season data for the ELO calculation, and we'll start every team off with a 1500 ELO when the season starts. Then after each game, we're going to recalculate ELO based on how strong their opponent was and whether they won or lost the game. So by the end of the regular season, each team will have an ELO rating that we'll use throughout the playoffs. On to the most exciting part, part 2, building the Monte Carlo simulation. The most important input will be the playoff bracket that we feed into the model using a dictionary like this. Next, we'll write a function to simulate the winner of a single game using the ELO that we calculated earlier. Now we're going to chain the Monte Carlo simulation by simulating one bracket first. So this would be the NFL playoffs end to end, and then we're going to run this simulation 1000 times for our Monte Carlo simulation, and then we can plot the output to see the probability of each team winning. But Monte Carlo simulations can be very hard to understand, especially if we're sharing this with non-tech stakeholders. So for step 3, we're going to build a lightweight app to see the simulation, something like this. And I'm just going to vibe code this with Replit since I'm not a developer. Here's my prompt, and here's the final output of the Monte Carlo simulations in Replit.